Biz Short in seconds, say what matters. Maharashtra secured investment commitments worth 14.5 lakh rupees crore, approximately 173 billion US dollars, on the opening day of the World Economic Forum, WEF. Annual meeting 2026 in Davos, marking one of the largest single-day investment inflows ever recorded by an Indian state. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis led the state's delegation and signed 19 Memoranda of Understanding (MOUs) with domestic and global companies across a wide range of strategic sectors. The agreements span key industries including logistics, steel manufacturing, data centers, renewable energy, urban infrastructure, advanced manufacturing, and technology services. Officials stated that the scale and diversity of the investments reflect growing global confidence in Maharashtra's industrial ecosystem, policy stability, and infrastructure readiness. The cumulative investment is expected to generate employment opportunities for over 15 lakh people across the state, providing a significant boost to economic growth and job creation. The massive single-day investment haul is particularly notable as it nearly matches Maharashtra's total investment commitments secured during the entire 2025 Davos summit. Government officials described the development as a major milestone, underscoring the effectiveness of the state's proactive investor outreach, ease of doing business reforms, and targeted sectoral policies. Speaking at the forum, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis highlighted Maharashtra's strengths, including its strong manufacturing base, financial capital Mumbai, robust logistics network, and rapidly expanding digital infrastructure. He emphasized that the state offers a stable governance framework, skilled workforce, and investor-friendly environment, making it a preferred destination for both domestic and international investors. Several MOUs focus on next-generation infrastructure such as data centers and smart urban development, aligning with India's broader digital and sustainability goals. Logistics and steel sector investments are also expected to strengthen supply chains and support large-scale industrial growth. While MOUs are non-binding agreements, state officials expressed confidence that a substantial portion of the pledged investments would translate into on-ground projects over the coming years. Dedicated facilitation mechanisms will be put in place to ensure timely implementation and investor support. Think business, think Biz Short. Tap to subscribe.